This product was sent to me from a brand.
Alright guys, so this is what it looks like at nighttime. Looks really cool. Take a look at it, guys. So this is it. This is the inflatable little cat. Hello, my name's Scott. Welcome back to another review. So from Scott's Honest Reviews, we're gonna go ahead and take a look, inflate this, and see what it looks like to see if it's gonna be spooky enough for you guys or calm enough for you guys. All right guys, for the cat, you're gonna get your tie downs, you're gonna get your weighted bags, and you're gonna get your string and manual. Couple things, try not to have anything blocking the fan, and also you must have this zippered up. So make sure this is fully zippered up. When you inflate it, when you want to deflate it, just unzipper it. And we're gonna go ahead and see what it looks like. So you got its paw coming out of here. Little eyeball. There you go, so it was bent, so that sticks out. Let's see, his arm might be, no, his arm stays like that. All right, let's show you guys what it looks like at nighttime. You can definitely easily see it at night. No problems whatsoever. Overall, it's nice. Really cool.